So I found some rust on the back of the Pathfinder here, and this is going to be my first actual body repair. Let's go ahead and cut that out of there. Now I'm using my right angle die grinder to prep this surface around that cutout. I'm using abrasive and fiber prep discs from Amazon from an assortment that I bought there. I'll drop a link in the description. I measured and cut out a piece of 18 gauge steel, and I've been hammering on it to get it into the rough shape of what I need to match up the existing hole. Let's see how it fits. Nope, back to the workbench. Going to be using my Yes Welder YWM160. I got it on Amazon. I'll drop a link to it in the description as well. Even though this will be hidden by the bumper eventually, I'm still trying to minimize the deforming of the metal due to heat. So I'm stitching here, stitching there, stitching yonder, spot here, spot there, and then trying to keep everything cool in the meantime so that it doesn't bow up too much on me. You can see me using compressed air to cool everything in between those tack welds. I skipped through a lot of grinding. Got to a point here where now I'm just checking for little pinholes and welding those shut so I have it completely sealed all the way across. A grinder and a can of paint make me the welder that I ain't. Hey, if you like what you've seen here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and check out more stuff coming up.